Hi everyone, it's Mark here. I just wanted to introduce this a sort of task to you. Essentially, what you've got to do with this task is talk about all of these things, explaining what they are, what they do, and what their role in the computer is. It's pretty straightforward. Each of these will be a heading in an assignment which is due out. You've got to explain what they are, what they do, and how they fit into the computer. I wanted to go over a few of them because I think it's important to know for me to explain how a few of these things work together. The CPU, the central processing unit, is the main processor in the computer. What this does is takes instructions, executes them, and then outputs something. Okay, they work in binary and machine code, so really kind of basic stuff. And they're measured their speed in gigahertz, which is a 1 gigahertz is 1 billion things per second. So they can do a lot of things per second. It works together with the RAM and the hard drive in a kind of triangle. Um, when you launch a file, it will grab those files from the hard drive and place those files into RAM. And the program is then executed from RAM. RAM is really fast in comparison to the storage on your hard drive. It's sort of crazily quick. I'm sure you can find out how crazily quick. Um, yeah. The main thing that I want you to focus on is how these things work together. So, for example, if you the way I think about it is like a filing cabinet system. You can have a filing cabinet system with you've got a desk in front of you that can hold 8 pieces of paper on it. Okay, your desk can only hold 8 pieces of paper. You've got a filing cabinet under the desk. Okay, um, suddenly your job changes. You don't just need 8 bits of paper on the desk. You need to be able to see 12 bits of paper, and you've kind of got two options at this point. Option number one is buy another desk. Okay, we can buy some more space to put out that paper. Um, Option number two would be to put some of that paper away, take it from the desk, put it back into the filing cabinet, and then get another bit of paper out and replace the original bit of paper. Okay, so you've got two options there. The first one is buy a new desk. That's the equivalent of buying more RAM. Your computer can do more things at the same time. And you've got the equivalent of putting the paper in back into the filing cabinet. That's like um, closing some programs, closing some stuff, so more stuff can be open on your computer. Okay, so when you think about the processor, the hard drive, the RAM working together, that's how I want to imagine it. You're the processor, you're the person processing all the information on that desk in front of you. You've got your hard drive, which is the filing cabinet underneath, and you've got your RAM, which is what you can currently work with on the desk in front of you. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Please fill out these to the best of your ability. You do some research and make sure you reference all your work, and yeah, everything will be great.